Hello, everyone. My name is Emily Teacher, and today we're reading Up, Up, and Away. Have you ever taken a ride in a hot air balloon? It is exciting and gives those aboard a chance to see the world in a new way. A good place to learn about the sport is New Mexico. Let us go there. We'll explore the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta. All right, so Albuquerque, New Mexico is a place in the United States of America. So let's read about this real life true event. Almost 1 million people come to Albuquerque each October to see this colorful event. It lasts 9 days. Over 1,000 balloons take part. That is a fifth of all the hot air balloons in the world. Balloonists are attracted to this part of New Mexico for a special reason. The pilot of a hot air balloon cannot steer it. It goes wherever the wind takes it. That is why most balloon trips end a long way from where they begin. In most places, a van with a crew of helpers follows the balloons. They keep it in view. When the balloon lands, the van is right there. It takes the passengers and the balloon back to the starting point. In Albuquerque, it is different. An unusual wind pattern occurs there. It is called the Albuquerque box. Winds go from the Rio Grande Valley, pass over Albuquerque as they move east toward the Sandia Mountains. But just a few hundred feet higher, a different wind blows to the west. That makes Albuquerque a place where a round-trip balloon ride is possible. The ride begins when the balloon is filled with hot air from a gas burner. Soon it rises in the air, or it goes up into the air. The basket dangles beneath the balloon. Several helpers hold the basket down. Then the passengers climb inside. There is room for just 3 people plus the pilot. When everything is ready, the pilot gives a signal to those on the ground. Let go! To the passengers. The balloon does not seem to be moving. The earth just looks like it is dropping away beneath them. The heat from the gas burner makes the balloon continue to rise. The burner is fixed in place above the basket, so the burner doesn't move. It blows hot air into the balloon through an opening at the bottom. When the balloon reaches the right height, the pilot turns down the gas burner. Passengers enjoy wonderful views in all directions. They see the houses and streets of Albuquerque the way a 1,000-foot giant would. Cars look like little toys. People seem no bigger than ants. They are surprised by how quiet the ride is. The air is perfectly still. The balloon just drifts with the wind. After about 30 minutes, it is time to reverse the direction of the balloon. The pilot turns up the heat. Again, the balloon rises. The wind at the higher level is blowing in the opposite direction. The balloon is now heading back toward Albuquerque. As it gets closer to the starting point, the pilot turns down the gas burner. The balloon sinks slowly. It lands with a gentle bump. The ride is over. The Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta is an exciting event, even for those who stay on the ground. The high point is the launching of hundreds of balloons from Fiesta Park. The launch takes place in the space of an hour. The balloons come in many colors. They fill the whole sky. Some have unusual shapes. Visitors might see a cow, a teddy bear, or a pink dragon floating overhead. Balloonists are serious about this sport, but they also like to have fun. Thank you for reading with me. We have links related to each story, and if you would like the link for this video, you can find it in the description down below.